This is the tutorial on how to enter HD data. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. First, click on this button. The page will load to the Services section, displaying the services for the selected patient on this particular day. Click on Administer to administer the patient's injection. Click Continue to go to the Pre-HD page. Filled out the parameters for the Pre-HD section. Click on Save Changes. Click Start HD. A prompt box will appear showing the start time. User also can choose from the drop-down list for the started by. Click on Start HD. Filled in the parameters for the HD reading in this section. After completing the data entry, click on Save Data to save your input. Don't forget to update the hourly data also. Click Save Data. After the treatment completed, the progress bar will show green. We can view the hourly data reading at the bottom of the page. Click on Finish HD. A prompt box will appear displaying the end time of the HD treatment. Users can then select the name of the individual who concluded the treatment from the drop-down list. Filled in the post-HD data. Click Save Changes. Services summary will be shown. Click Finish and Save. Treatment are now completed. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.